Bitcoin just reached 100K. It's making waves again, but everybody's thinking the same thing. Is now the right time to get involved buying some Bitcoin? Well, I'm going to give you a little bit of analysis today to make you go and research yourself and make a decision for yourself. I use Bybit exchange for all of my trading. So guys, I'm going to show you a quick overview of that too. But let's dive into, is it the right time to be buying Bitcoin? Disclaimer, not a financial advice. I do this for education purposes only. Let's run it. All right, guys, as we dive into buying Bitcoin, I first want to show you Bybit. All right, this is where I am buying all of my Bitcoin lately, and purposely because if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. Bitcoin right now is doing numbers. Okay, you can see here absolutely smashing through the $102,000 mark. This is something we have been waiting for so long. As we go to the all, you can see this is a huge all-time high, guys. We have seen growth with Bitcoin this last few months that people will never believe. They said to us at this stage, when we got to this all-time high, oh, it's never going to go back. It dropped. Oh, you're idiots for having Bitcoin. We got to the next all-time high. Oh, you're idiots for holding on to it. Guys, Bitcoin is in a rampage, and Donald Trump winning the election really does throw that away. Elon Musk's really backing the crypto space. Bitcoin is not going to drop. Okay, I'm not saying the price won't retract. I'm saying we are going to have 100K stability for a long time. Okay, it'll go up and down, but 100K, you could be rest assured, in my opinion, you're probably not going to be losing money. You're just waiting for the next big push. Going back to Bybit, you can actually use the analysis on here, all right? So first thing I want to show you is the copy trading. Now, we can actually go in to see what professionals are trading. And if they're trading with Bitcoin, we can start to understand that if this is the right time or not. As I type Bitcoin into the search in the copy traders, you can see all these different Bitcoin users. Now, it doesn't mean that every single person is trading Bitcoin, but majority of them are, like this one, for example. So if we click on this, okay, you can see Bitcoin here, a Bitcoin trader who is making 787% in master, but just ROI 144% growth. That means that Bitcoin right now, if you're trading it, you can make crazy money. Now, this all depends. Do you want to follow the herd, or do you want to go on your own and reinvent the wheel? Completely up to you. But if all these people are making profit with Bitcoin, 15%, 33%, 144%, Bitcoin is ready to be traded. Okay, they are professionals making money. That means follow and copy. That's why tools on here like copy trading will make you so much money. Going into another tool, Trade GPT. All right, this is a really unique algorithm that helps you. Okay, now today's project pick, you can see Ethereum on here, right? It'll show you exactly why the Trade GPT has decided that Ethereum is a good trade for today. All right, and if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. So what I want you to do is go down here and you can ask, is Bitcoin a good currency to trade starting today? And see what they really want to say. Okay, they will give you the exact overview, the sentiment, the cash flow, the market sentiment, and the conclusion. Bitcoin is showing strong upward trend with a significant price increase over the last 24 hours. Trading volume is robust, indicating active market participation. Extreme greed sentiment. That means you can trade this and make money if you're doing the buys. Guys, you can ask this anything you want. Should I buy Bitcoin or should I sell waiting for a drop? I want to catch the biggest possible move. Start asking, just be honest. Hey, I don't really know what I'm doing, but should I get into this? Should I be trading this? And it will tell you everything. You can see here. Okay, the conclusion, Bitcoin is facing an overbought situation, could lead to price corrections, the resistance level, basically saying to you, just wait for it to correct a little bit before you buy back in, and it'll draw up the chart for you right here, guys. This is stuff that people dreamt about having as crypto traders. I dreamt about having this. Now this tool's here. It's all done for you. You don't even need to analyze it. Now for different ways of trading, okay, once you've done the analysis, once you've got all that, you can go in here to the trading portal and you can trade spot. You can trade derivatives. You can go in and actually look for some of the launch pools, okay, looking for what's going to reward you in Bitcoin. All right, it's very cool because this gives you a chance to earn crypto in different ways rather than just saying, I want to buy Bitcoin. This gives you different ways of doing it. Spot trading, basically saying you can go in at live market because that analysis said buy it and buy it. Okay, you can go into different ones. Launch pool is taking some crypto that you have, you're hoarding, and letting it be staked so you can make rewards without actually trading anything. So there is a lot to do, guys, and I want you to research all the different ways. I actually make loads of videos about Bybit because I think it's one of the best exchanges that has ever come out in the Web3 space. So watch all them videos and find all the different ways that I make money using this. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you can now make a decision if you want to go and buy yourself some Bitcoin. If you've missed it, if you think you haven't, you can see what I think. I think it's a perfect time to get involved. And guys, using Bybit has never been easier. So make sure you do hit that link down below, get yourself an account, and just start getting into the Bitcoin market because it is beneficial for everyone, no matter what stage you get into. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified, guys. I'll see you next time.